Hi friends, today I will show you how to convert any currency in any other currency. Please watch the video till end. Hi friends, I am Suraj Kumar. Welcome you to my YouTube channel excel.online edutech. Keep learning forever. So I request you to please subscribe my channel for expansion of your knowledge related to computer education, and also press the bell icon that you can get notifications as soon as I upload a new video. So watch the video till end and please like, share with your friends. So here I'll open a sheet of my Excel where I have fed it already some data for an example. So here we see how it works. We will type in column A, cell number 1. This is the exchange rate from dollar to euro. How I type euro? For this I have made separate video that how you can type different currency symbols in any of the MS Office, Excel, Word, PowerPoint. You will get link in the description box, and also you will get a card in the last of my video. So watch the video till end. And here now you can see this is the product name. This is in column B, it is the price in dollars, and in column C it is the price in euro. So we'll take some examples, like the price is of $20, it is $40, something you can take. It is 10, 50, 80. Now you will go and see how we change it in euro. So we'll take type the formula equal to, you will select this cell and it will be multiplied by the exchange rate, and we will lock it, and after that we will press enter the prices of the product, same product in euro. So first of all you will have to make these cells formatted by currency symbols like dollars, and these cells of currency symbols formatted with euro. So for this you can do in two types. First you will have to go in home tab, and here you can see the shortcuts where you can apply any of the required currency symbol for your cells, or either you press the Ctrl 1 button and then you will get the format cells window. Here in the category list you can find one currency option, and you can choose it for selected cells the required collections of all the euro sign, whether it is dollar sign or any of the currency symbol of the world, and you just select it, press OK, and here it will be applied. So I show you how to convert dollar into euro. Now in the same way you can get how it will be work to convert back euro into dollars. For this what we'll do, we'll press the formula is equal to, and I will select the cell of euro price, and it will be divided by the same exchange rate, and we will lock it again and we'll press the enter. So you can see how it works, and we'll drag the formula or press Ctrl D. The formula will be applied on each of the cells you selected. Friends, today you saw how you can convert any currency into another currency. Thank you friends for watching my video. Like the video if you really enjoyed it, and if you learned something today, so please subscribe my channel for continuously being video uploaded like this. Like my video, share with your friends, and please subscribe my channel also for having expansion of your knowledge continuously. It is free of cost. Thank you friend, have a nice day.